In this video, I'll show you how to install the crane bracket number 11 on the CHB fixture. So the parts required for this installation include your BE CHB fixture, your bracket 11, which is the stainless steel heavy duty crane bracket, and 4 bolts. These are 5mm bolts and they're included in your box. The tools required for this installation include your H4 Allen key. This is your 4mm hex, but it's not included in the box. The BE CHB fixture comes standard with a loop mount already installed, so you don't need to remove the loop in order to install the crane bracket 11. So step 1, line up the holes. Underneath the driver box, there's going to be 2 screw holes underneath each side. All you have to do is line up the 2 holes from the bracket with the holes on the fixture. And then step 2, we're going to add 2 bolts to each side of the bracket. And then once those bolts are in, just tighten the bolts using your H4 Allen key, and then just repeat that on the other side. And now you're ready to install your BE CHB crane light onto your crane.